everyone, welcome back to our channel, Your Technical Tutorial. Today we will be exploring how to open Visual Studio Code with your desired folder using CMD. So let's get started. Firstly, make sure Visual Studio Code has already been installed on your laptop or any of your devices. If not, don't worry, it's a simple process to install it. So for installation, check out the I button. Once that's taken care of, let's move on to our next step. Now we will be creating a folder. So I am creating a folder over here and create a folder and any kind of file inside it and name that file as you wish. So let's create it. So I am creating a folder and inside it I'm creating a file, any kind of file you can create. I'm creating a text file. I will name it as index. Okay, as you can see, file has been created. Also remember, you don't always need to create a file, and like this, if you have some of the files, then use that folder for the process. Now coming to the interesting part, open the file explorer as I have already opened and go to the file where your file exists. Now go here and type CMD and press enter. Now you will be redirected to the black screen, and here you need to write code space dot enter, and you will be redirected to the Visual Studio Code, and you can see you are in that folder where you have kept your file index.txt, and when you click on that you will be given your area where you can write any of your text or anything you want to. So thank you so much for joining me in this, and if you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. So I will meet you in the next video with some useful contents. So for now, bye bye.